Hey there everyone, this is Chris from the Tech Basement coming to you once again from the basement. Today we're going to go over what I've been doing with this ITX build here, what I've been looking at, and where we're going with it. Okay, so it's been a couple weeks, okay, maybe 3 to 4 weeks. I apologize for that. I've been having some issues with getting the parts I need, and also there have been some family things that have come up, which you will see pretty soon here within a couple months, and it'll be somewhat of a surprise for me as well as those of you out there that know me. With that out of the way, let's get into the ITX build we've been looking into and what we want to do with it. As you know, I've been looking for a case if you've been following me on Twitter, and I finally came up with the Cooler Master NR200. The NR200, for what I need and what I like in a case, is what I want. As far as I know, we have a couple things to look at. As you know, I'm an EK Phoenix series enthusiast, fan, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to try fitting that in here. If you look close enough through here, you'll see that I have it already in here. I will go over that in the next video, and that along with something else is going to determine what I do with this case and how I configure it. So the next video for this will be hopefully in 2 weeks, and at that point we'll be going over what's going to go into it, what is not and why, and at that point the following video hopefully will be the install video, and I'll be using this rig from here on. It'll still be black and blue. Black and blue is still going to be my main rig, and with most of the components that I've had for it. As time goes, we all grow, we all get different components, things like that in our builds, but this is still going to remain black and blue. So like I said, next video is going to be the video where I go over everything. I'll have all the components. There are some components that I have not shown you, and I want to keep them a surprise for you. The last component that I'm waiting for is the power supply, and I'll go over some things about the power supply and the one I actually wanted and all the drama that's been going on there, and that's kind of why I've been waiting on doing this video. But with that being said, I felt like I could not hold out any longer. It's been too long since I put up a video, so here it is. Thank you for coming by. Do those things you guys do. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and this is Chris saying out.